Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Repair. Is your check engine light on? Did your OB2 scanner show a P0445 code? Well, don't worry. In this video, we'll break down what the P0445 trouble code means, its causes, and how you can fix it. Let's get started. The P0445 code stands for Evaporative Emission System, Leak Detected, Large Leak. This means the vehicle's evap system has detected a significant fuel vapor leak. Common cause for P0445. Number 1. Faulty evap purge valve. The purge valve may be internally shorted, preventing it from opening and closing correctly. Use a multimeter to test the resistance across the purge valve terminals. Normal resistance is between 1430 ohms. Check manufacturer specifications. Number 2. Shorted or damaged wiring. Frayed, corroded, or melted wires in the evap purge solenoid circuit can cause a short to ground or power. Inspect for damaged wiring, melted insulation, or loose connections. Unplug the purge valve connector and check for corrosion. Number 3. Bad electrical connector. If the purge valve connector has corrosion, broken pins, or loose connections, it can cause an electrical short. Number 4. Blown fuse or faulty relay. If a short circuit occurs, it may blow a fuse protecting the evap system. Locate the evap system fuse in the fuse box. Refer to the owner's manual. If the fuse is blown, replace it, but also check for wiring damage that caused the short. Number 5. Defective powertrain control module, PCM, rare. In rare cases, the PCM could be sending an incorrect signal, triggering the P0445 code. Use an OBD2 scanner to clear the P0445 code. Start the car and take a short test drive to see if the check engine light returns. If the code reappears, inspect the wiring again or consider a PCM diagnostic. The P0445 code is usually caused by a shorted purge valve or wiring issue. Diagnosing it requires checking the purge solenoid, electrical connections, and fuses. In most cases, replacing the purge valve will fix the issue. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe.